forex was popping. So I want to break down these GJ sales that I took this week that brought in 15%, called it out live in the free signals chat. So I want to break this trade down, right? So first off, I went on the daily, right? And what I saw on the daily, I mean, look at what price is telling you right here in this area. Look at this. Like, what is price telling you? We had 1, 2, 3 rejections, right, from this daily level. Okay, so we have to understand this is on the daily. This is a very strong time frame. What price is telling you on this is a very strong confirmation that we're gonna go bearish. Okay, so then look on the 4-hour. Look what happened after. So this is the daily rejection. Okay, and then look what happened after. We had a lower high, another lower high, super strong push. Okay, this entire push right here. And then we had this big level right here. Okay, bang, 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 bang. A big resistance level. Look what happened when price came up here the first time. Big drop. Okay, and then price came up here the second time. Look what happened again. It failed. It failed at this level again. This previous high, this level, it failed at both of them. So that's telling you what's gonna happen. Okay, so then what I saw is that price did that, it failed, and then we created another little level of support, came up, broke it, engulfing. Now it could potentially be a level of resistance. Okay, so what I saw is, okay, we had support, support, resistance, resistance, support. Okay, so now I want to see price come in here, give me a rejection, and then we can take trades down to there. So price came in there, gave me a nice little rejection, so I took sells. Stop loss was right above the high, and then my TP was just going to be this next level down here, right? So price went down a little bit, came back up, and then it gave me a nice rejection. So I said, all right, if price can do it again, I'll take another sell, right? Because it's still in this level. So what price did is I actually entered a little bit, like 5 minutes before the candle closed. So that's why my entry was just a little bit higher than the actual close of the candle. So then I entered again because I saw price rejecting again. I would have entered anyways just because of the way it closed. So TP is the same, 153, right? And then price had a nice drop, another nice push. Okay, now we're in decent profit. And then right here, I said, right where price is at, right? I said if price can close like this, and give a good reaction on the retest, we can take another trade, right? So right there, it's the same spot. You can see it's the same spot, right? So then it was something like this, and I was like, all right, well, if price gives another good reaction off of this, we can take more sales. So it gave one, that was a decent reaction. Then it gave me two. I was like, all right, I'm gonna take sales, 1 to 2.5, stop loss right above the wicks, and then I'm taking it down to the next level. Same thing, 153, and then price just straight melted, right? And then afterwards, just straight tanked, just completely dropped, right? So potential, was a 1 to 5, potential was a 1 to 9, potential was a 1 to 9, right? So beautiful trades, and that was it. And it was super, super simplistic, basic price action, support or resistance. The same thing with this trade. It's just, this is erased right here. This wasn't here. Before this trade, it was still the daily rejections, the strong push. Price failed at this level right here. I caught these trades. I just didn't call them out in the Telegram. And then price was in this channel. I mean, you can even just see, even without the channel, look what's happening. Look what price is doing. It's chopping. It's refusing to go higher. We have this in the lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Strong push, break, retest, multiple rejections. Price refused. That was horrible. That doesn't work. Price refused to go past this. Look how we had that. It's still a bullish candle, closed black, but that rejection, that wick. And then this, I think I took the sell off of the wick. So I think my trade was like right there. Stop loss was like right there, something like that. And I had like a 1 to 2, not to this level, to some level way back there. And then that was it. But like, just look at the rejections. Price is telling you what wants to happen, right? Price action is the best and the only indicator you ever need. You don't need anything else, and it works. But those are the simplistic trades. that I caught this week. There was a few more, but GJ was just beautiful this week. It just played out. It was super easy, super simplistic, and again, I called these out live on the Telegram. I called out. This was the first one, second one, and then third one, and then 15%. So those were the trades for this week. I just like doing the breakdowns on the trades that I call out that are big dubs like this. I mean, if you would have taken these with me for free, you would have got 15% or maybe even more, because I did close the second position at a 1 to 3 just to secure 6%. So it would have been 17% if you would have taken those, or 15% if you did close it, like I said right here. But that's it, man. OFX out.